England has never had a Yellowstone. In spite of appearing a crowded country, just 6% of England is actually built upon, which means the space and possibility for nature remains. We may think that all of our uplands and our land are used productively, but that is often far from the case. Upland moorlands, bereft of trees, have often become mistaken for the maximal experience that British nature can provide in our uplands. It's time for a place where nature comes first. And our partnership with 30 by 30 UK is designed to achieve that. Right now, a large-scale landscape in the north of England is ready for a new vision. One that restores biodiversity and resilience. One that restores community. Right now, the ecological slate is blank, but with the right management, a raucous riot of life can return. Our upland landscapes once teemed with life. Wetlands and woodlands, moorlands and peatlands, scrublands and grasslands, all intermingled and interspersed. In just the recent past, cranes, beavers, wildcats, eagles, all once called this land their home. And Restore's vision is for them to do so once again. We at Restore believe our team's deep knowledge and passion for the natural world can help restore this land for everyone. Over the next 20 years, Restore wishes to return this land to the nation. It's time for England's Yellowstone.